Hey everyone, I made it into a different Ross location. So look what I found. This purple Aldo one for $30, the gold chain. You get a long one as well. I see little mini BBs in the back. And you know that blingy one, which we could find at Burlington. Is that mushroom? Oh yeah, looks kind of like a fuzzy mushroom backpack. Really different. Okay, this one's cute. We got like this yellow satchel one maybe. For 13. Alyssa for 13 as well. It's a white backpack. Is that? Let me pull this one down. I haven't seen this one for 30. Oh, it's just like a really simple Aldo one. Normally it has like a satin scarf. Tons of gas, more large tote. This little black one with the bow for $10.99. Like a wristlet crossbody one. It's a Tommy Hilfiger, which I never seen it like with a tote that says Tommy Hilfiger on it. It has a TH. More Aldo. I've been finding more Aldo in Ross compared, normally I find Aldo in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. A lot of Guess. Oh gosh, they have a mud backpack for $12.99. Mud used to be huge back in the day, like junior high. The mud cargos, oh my gosh. I think maybe Kohl's carries like a version of mud. $10.99 here. I want to say Betsy Johnson, but no, Steve Madden for $35. That's a different one. Crossbodies. Okay, I honestly thought on the corner of my eye that was like a Hello Kitty. It's not. That would be cute to have an all over Hello Kitty bag. Haven't seen that in Ross. 17. They have a pink one with a dragon. Okay, that one's new. Very interesting. More Aldo, London Fog. Let me walk over here. It's a different version of Guess. This one will be $45. This little mini one down here. This one's new too. Can't find a price on it. I pull this down. $43. Okay, $43. They had the black version with the lock. Oh, look at this one. We might have seen this one maybe in Burlington. They start looking the same after a while. Tommy. It's a large Aldo tote at the bottom. The white Guess I know we've seen. And $45 for that white one. I see a few backpacks. Tommy, black and white butterfly. That is only $17. Let's see. There's one more aisle of handbags, which is right here. And then I believe that might be it for the handbag department. It's kind of cute and different. $4.50. Look at this one. Very spring vibes, summer vibes. I like this clear one with the florals on it. Okay, I spotted these Adidas for $40. These white, a little bit of yellow on the stripe. I don't see as much sandals here, but these are kind of cute. Let's see. $15. The brand is Draper James. I've never seen that print in any other Ross. Kind of cute. I feel like most of these sandals might be the same. Look, if you're still in the market for boots, they do have a DKNY one. Okay, what is this one? Look at that side. $29.99. That is the Aldo brand. Yeah, when you go into Aldo, they have like different types of shoes and handbags. That store is just really, really hard to film. I think I have like a few old videos of it. $29.99. Because there's a lot of people in there shopping and you're pretty much in the way. Well, for me, 40. The high wedge one. Okay, check these out. I just spotted these like at the bottom. They're gonna be 25. They're UGG. Michael Kors, 450. It's a different take on it. Wow, check these out for $23. Oh, look at this blue one. That's kind of cute. I do like the blue. I'm not sure if I like the square toe, but that is by Mark Fisher for 25. What is this one? CL by Laundry, a 17. That's kind of cute. Just like easy sandal. Skechers has like a little boot. Maybe a house shoe. I mean, Ross is just so random. Like right here. $18. I feel like these would go really good with a wide flare pant. Check out these Uggs for 20. Just an easy slide on. I love shoes like that are open in the back. I normally wear like Vans that open in the back for like the spring and summertime. Okay, so mainly I just see a lot of Puma left over. The boots are still around. Here's one more like a clog. 18. Katy Perry. $29.99. Like a chunky heeled, like a square toe. Okay, those are more Fila. Michael Kors, $450. I've never seen these. They're gonna be $29.99. They're Converse. They're like the dragon. Okay, a little bit of wall art for 25 right here. And next to me it looks like 25 as well. On top, 23, 22, and 35. And this mirror right here will be 35. If you want that blinged out one, it's only 20. Not as much home decor in this location, but 35. And of course the silver, which I know we've seen before, they're like 40 and 35. This one is marble on top for 35 and 160. I mean, that is gonna open. You could store, I feel like, dog stuff, shoes, kid stuff. I probably would give that to a dog if I had like a medium small size dog. And DKNY, these are pretty cool. No price on them. Kind of cute. It's $20, like a Tommy one. You do get two. It's a thick strap at the bottom. It's the easy breezy Calvin Klein. These are only $5.99, like little mesh ones. Only one Juicy Couture in here. See a two-piece. Oh, there's no price maybe on this one. Looks like a pink tag, $8.99. Maybe a leftover from Valentine's Day, right? Not as much kitchen decor in this location, but look at this right here. $5. You love that blue. And we have like a butterfly one too. These are $5.99. And this pretty cool bowl. And it looks like Mother's Day stuff. Oh gosh, when is May? Mother's Day is in May, right? Sugar vinegar. Is that a Lazy Susan? Oh, I love that. Nice one. Oh, look at this one. The food safe. These are $7. Let's see. It doesn't say. Hand wash only. These bowls are really nice, right? Oh, that is all they have for kitchen. $10 right here for the knife set, like steak knives. Oh gosh, alarm is going off. It's a large bamboo cutting board. Spoon me. These are melamine for $4. This one is breakable. My kitchen, my rules. Oh, you know what? I kind of wish this turtle man was glass. $2.99. I think it'll be pretty cool in my opinion. I don't know if we've seen the butterfly one for $10. Be happy, like a little cake stand or whatever you want to do with that. And here's like a little tray so you can match. It's kind of cool. $13. We have a turtle, catty one, and butterfly. Those are 8. So it looks like spring stuff for children in here. I did find the swimwear. Let's see, $13. I love the color. I like the pops of neon. It's a hot pink one for 13 as well. Like a 2-piece Nike. Oops, they all get tangled up. This one's 15. Colorful red. I haven't seen so much swimwear in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Normally we have it. Because they bring out like the fancy ones, like Michael Kors and all that good stuff. 17. That's kind of cute too, that green. Looks like a lot of Hurley, what did I say, hero vibes. The DKNY, this one's 25. So for swimwear, I want to say, did we just see that? No. For swimwear, they go up to like 2X almost. Then it goes to like numbers, like up to maybe number 20. For the size, you know how they do medium, small, medium, large, extra large, and then they get into the numbers. It's another green one. Oh, look at the green. I don't see as much cover-ups though. I know people love to look at them. There's a 2-piece one. I've never seen such fancy dresses at Ross. $47. Maybe, I feel like maybe you could do without the ribbon. I don't know. I mean, if you're going to maybe a wedding, I don't know. But look at this one. There's like a sequins one. It's a long one. That is only $40. You can also get these hem to fit you. There's a few spring dresses right here. Okay, and this one's 17. I kind of just spotted it. You gotta dig in here. Yellowstone. There's Pooh and Friends. A lot of Stitch. Winnie the Pooh. Oh, is that the back of it? Okay. Woodstock. It's a zip up one. I kind of like that. It's just zip up. Pink Floyd. Then it goes to Winnie the Pooh and Mickey Mouse again. A lot of Betty Boop. These are $9. And if you don't want it long, I feel like maybe you could crop it. But I feel like this would look good with, like, you know, cargos. My daughter would wear this. Way too big for her though. These are also good shirts too. These are $5.99 and they're pretty stretchy. Little scoop neck. I haven't been able to find like tons of new t-shirts in Ross. I know Ross is normally like always filled in, but it's been the same everywhere. This brown one's kind of cute. I like it. Just simple. These basic shirts go really good, you guys. Trust me. I just had my daughter go somewhere and she's all like, I go, you know, just put on the brown one. And she wanted something else, but the brown one looked good. Like the basic ones, can never go wrong with that. And if you're not into crop, I mean, they have them here. Here's a green one. She's on a bike. She's a motorcycle mama. Biker mama. Oh, I do know Bike Week is coming soon. A lot in New York. Let's see, Levi's. My daughter just auditioned to be part of Coop Stock, so we're waiting on that. I'm crossing my fingers. I wanted to share it with you guys, but I didn't want to jinx it when it happened. So it was like really exciting to see. Oh gosh, here's another one. Biker babe. Oh gosh, do we? That's funny. Yeah, yeah, because she has one that says Street Angel. I was like, what? Okay, Betty Boop. The Jason, more Winnie the Pooh. Yeah. All right, you guys. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. Not as much happening in the lady department either. It's a lot of floral. On that floral flowy, which I feel like it hasn't changed. Ooh, I like this green one. $5.99. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.